subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
In this video, we'll learn about fill layers, solid colors, patterns, and gradients. A fill layer is a layer that is completely or partially filled with a color, a pattern, or a gradient. I'm going to create a new layer and choose solid color. Now with this color pop-up, you can click around to choose the color that you want. You can move these sliders, or you can enter in specific values of hue, saturation, and brightness. You can enter specific values of red, green, and blue. And you can copy and paste or type a hexadecimal color code in here if you have one. This would come in handy if you have a specific color that you want to keep consistent, so you're not just guessing each time. You can also use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from a pixel in your image. I'm going to stick with this salmon color and click OK. You can see that this has filled the layer with a solid color. Now let's look at patterns and gradients. You can create a new fill layer and choose gradient. You can change the options in here. And click OK. You can also choose to create a new fill layer with a pattern. You can choose the pattern you want, adjust the scale of it, choose the options you want, and click OK. By default, these are all at 100% opacity. As with any layer, you can adjust the opacity of each layer to see through it. Now you can see all of the wild stuff we just added with these fill layers. That wraps up this video about fill layers.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.